Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will compare the Meta Quest 3S and Meta Quest 3. The Meta Quest 3 and Meta Quest 3S are both high-performance virtual reality headsets, but they differ significantly in specifications and features. The Meta Quest 3S has garnered attention as an affordable entry into virtual reality, priced at approximately $299.99. One of the most significant changes is the switch from the advanced pancake lenses of the Quest 3 to Fresnel lenses in the Quest 3S. The Quest 3S includes a dedicated action button for toggling between mixed reality and immersive VR, improving convenience over the Quest 3's touch-sensitive area. Many users found the experience satisfying, especially when engaging in games and interactive experiences. The Quest 3S is seen as a solid value, especially for those hesitant to invest in more expensive models like Apple's Vision Pro. The Meta Quest 3 has received considerable attention for its improvements over previous models, particularly the Quest 2. One of the standout features is the use of Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, which offers a significant boost in GPU processing power, around 100% more than the Quest 2. The Quest 3 boasts a 4K plus resolution with two LCDs at 2064 by 2208 pixels per eye, which is a noticeable upgrade. Some users have noted that the battery life is slightly reduced, lasting around 2 hours per charge, which could be a drawback for an extended gaming session. In my opinion, if you're a dedicated VR user or want the best visual experience, the Quest 3 is worth the investment, while the Quest 3 is great for casual users. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.